Does he want you? These 6 signals will confirm it. With this, you will know if you result attractive for a man. After a time of marriage, I think we all have doubts. Could it be that you still attract your husband as before? This issue is not easy for any woman. The years go by them, many of them have children, and there are always going to be women much prettier and younger than you. Men do not help much, they are not very expressive, and the fact you still have intimacy as a couple does not necessarily mean that you still feel the same desire and passion that you felt at the beginning. However, there are some signs that will tell you without a doubt if your man still feels the same desire or more than he felt at the beginning. 1. He makes you comments on your clothes. He leaves the male chauvinism aside and makes comments about the colors that best suit you, or tell you to buy new clothes, or refers to how he likes that black dress that you put on for the last party you went together. Yes, women, these kind of comments are the subtle signals that men throw at their wives, denoting that they still see them as sexy, for whom they feel seduced. 2. You catch him looking at you while you are distracted. While you find yourself cleaning, cooking, or just running around, he remains there still. He looks at you and observes your body. Most women overlook this or even get angry, because he is standing there while they run around and he does not help at all. However, you should appreciate the fact that you still drive your husband crazy. 3. Tries to find excuses to have physical contact with you. At any time he hugs you, tries to steal a kiss, offers massages, start the massage while you are busy helping the children, asks if you are cold to hug you, he sits the closest to you while watching television, does whatever it takes to achieve increased physical contact with you. 4. When you are together, he looks you in the eyes. The visual contact between a couple in the moment of intimacy denotes not only desire but deep feelings of one for the other. If your husband still does this, you can be sure that he not only wants you but also loves you. 5. Kisses you in the mouth. Kisses are one of the most essential elements in a relationship, are those that help to make that passion together with the love that both feel to stay alive. By mistake, many couples, the first thing they give up over time is kissing, seriously damaging the relationship. If your husband still kisses you in the mouth, even when you are not having intimacy, do not push him, do not reject him. These kisses are not only the symbol that he wants you, but that he loves you. Do not let them disappear. 6. Tells you how much he wants you. Leaving the subtleties aside and the messages you must decode, he directly tells you that he wants you as much as at the beginning. To learn more women dating tips, download my books free by clicking the book image on the right or the link in the description below, and please subscribe to this channel, share this video and visit my online store. All I need is love.